along a line, mark out keyways at various angles and cut keyways.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at how to chip curve along a line, mark out keyways at various angles, and cut keyways. This is a handy skill to know if you're looking to add some extra detail and interest to your work. Within a few simple tools and some practice, you'll be able to master this technique in no time. So, let's get started.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to note chip curve on flat bearing surface with uniform round nose chisel, chisel, half round chisel. Chip keyways at various angles with cross cut and diamond point chisel. Tools required: vernier caliper, tri-square, vernier bevel protractor, vernier height gauge, steel rule, round nose chisel, cross-cut and diamond point chisel, half-round chisel. Equipment required: bench vise. Materials required: raw material, oil.
The process of chipping curve along a line consists of two sets of process. Those two sets are as follows. Chipping oil groove. Chipping an oil groove is a critical aspect of machining and fitting work, as it involves creating a channel or recess to accommodate lubrication in mechanical components such as shafts, gears, and bearings. Begin by selecting the appropriate material for the component and the chipping tool. Typically, mild steel is used for oil groove chipping and a suitable chipping tool such as a cold chisel. Chipping keyways at various angles. Keyways are slots or grooves cut into a shaft or component to accommodate keys that prevent relative rotation between two parts. Chipping keyways at various angles can be necessary for specialized applications.
First, we are going to have a look at chipping oil groove. Task 1. Chipping oil groove. Check the size raw metal with steel rule. File and finish raw metal to given size. Mark the oil groove curve as per drawing. Chip the oil groove with a round nose chisel, maintaining the dimension width 3 mm. Check the keyway size with steel rule. Keyways are grooves or keyholes that can be cut into various components of a design to allow for fastening, locking, and alignment. They are typically marked on the top surface of a component with two lines that intersect each other at an angle of 90 degrees. The direction of these lines indicates where the keyway will go when it's made into a part of another component.
Measure and mark the precise location and dimensions of the keyway, including the angle at which it needs to be cut. Chipping keyways at various angles is a specialized skill and may require practice to achieve precision. It's important to maintain safety measures, use appropriate personal protective equipment, and exercise caution when working with chipping tools.
Now, we will look at the second process. Task 2. Chipping keyways at various angles. Check the raw metal for its size. File to given size. Check the size with vernier caliper. Check the squareness with tri-square. Apply marking media and mark keyways using vernier height gauge and keyway angles using vernier bevel protractor. Hold the job in bench vise. Punch witness marks. Chip keyways with cross-cut chisel to the required depth. Chip keyway sharp corners with a diamond point chisel. Check the job size with vernier caliper. Check the angles with vernier bevel protractor. Finish the job and deburr it. Apply thin coating of oil and preserve it for evaluation. Note: grind the chisels well. Look always at the cutting edge. Cool the cutting edge from time to time. Grind for mushroom heads of chisel.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to chip curve on flat bearing surface with uniform round nose chisel, chip keyways at various angles with cross cut and diamond point chisel. Thus, we have learned how to chip curve along a line markout, keyways at various angles, and cut keyways. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.